How to delete Instagram messages from both sides. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to delete Instagram messages from both sides. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on a device. Ensure to log in and sign in to the particular account. After a while, you will reach on this home screen of Instagram. Select the messenger icon at top right corner of the screen. To demonstrate, let's open a particular chat and send a message. Let's say hi or hey, and with the help of the arrow, let's send the message. To delete it from the both sides, tap and hold the message and select Unsend from this menu box. Tap Unsend, this will remove the message for everyone. And tap Unsend again. That is how we can successfully delete Instagram messages from both sides all at once. So I hope this video worked for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.